Hey guys, my name is Darrshan and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to do your splits, how to improve your splits. So this video is absolutely for beginners who've never done splits at all. So please do it in the order that I'll be teaching you all. Do not go quick with the stretches. Take your time, be gentle with your body. Never ever exaggerate a lot with your body. Please take care of your body. Do not harm your body a lot. So we'll be doing a bit of warm up in the beginning, then moving into your stretches, and then finally moving into your box splits. So let's go ahead with learning your splits. So if you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, press the bell icon for instant notification, and do subscribe to our channel. Also do comment in the section below with what styles you want to learn, what dance techniques you want to learn, and which dance forms you all want to learn from us. So let's go ahead with learning your splits. So just a bit of warm up. So we start off with your jog, normal jog in place for a while. Get your body warmed up, get your legs warmed up, get your hamstrings warmed up so that you avoid injuring your body. From here you go on to your jumping jacks, going out, just letting your body loose, going up, improving your blood circulation, just work on your body. From there just kicking forward, just normal soft kicks coming up. And while you do that, you also breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Just get your body completely warmed up before you start off with your splits. So once you've done that, you shake your body completely. Shake your leg. Release the tension that's built up. So you do this warm up for a good a minute, 2.5 minutes or so, so that you're extensively warmed up and you avoid injuring at all while doing your splits. So we start off with stretching your hamstrings. You go down, you drop down, your palms touching the floor, your legs open up wide, and your knees to be locked. Don't bend your knees, otherwise you're not working on your hamstrings at all. So make sure you've locked your knees, you stretch your hamstrings, and your palms are on the floor. You stay there for a while, you'll start feeling the burning sensation, you'll start feeling the stretch onto your hamstrings. So from here you go out onto the left side or the right side of your body, turn out your leg, and you again try and touch your head. Make sure your palms on the floor. Both legs need to be straight and locked. Do not bend your legs at all, otherwise you're not working on your body. So you stay here, you stretch, you feel the stretch. You come back center, you stay there, and then you go on to the other direction, doing the same thing. You stretch and you lock your knees throughout the process. From here, once you have done this, you'll soon realize that you've stretched your hamstrings properly. From there, you go down, you drop down, you sit up. Now, you stay in diamond. This is a diamond formation where your legs end up in a shape of a diamond. You stay down, make sure you ignore. You never hold your toes while in diamond. Otherwise, you may put a lot of force and you may injure this portion of your legs. So always safe side, hold your ankle and you stretch up and you go down. You try and touch the floor and you stay there for a while until and unless you feel that you've warmed up your pelvis muscles and your hamstrings again. From there, once you've done that, you get up and you get your leg outside. So from here, you stay here, alright? Your knee, push your knee out with the help of your elbow, and your again knees locked. Either you can point or you can flex, whatever is up to you. Now, some of you won't be in a position to get your feet completely down on the floor. So the easiest way to do is you come up over here. Now, once you are here, do not face your knee forward. Always turn out your knee. Should be here, should be out, turned up. Okay? I like being here, so I am here. I get a good stretch once I'm down here. Also, your weight should not be behind. Your weight should always be forward. Your shoulder beneath your shoulder inside your leg. Your shoulder should be here and your knees should be outside. You should be pushing your knee outside with the help of your shoulder. From here, get your hand out, you twist yourself completely and you stay in a lunge. Now, make sure, okay, I'll go the other way. Now, make sure whenever you're in a lunge, your legs need to be in a 90 degree, your ankle and your knee. No point being here. You're not working at all on your body. You gotta be in 90 degree and your pelvis pressed down completely. Okay? Now, to get a more stretch, all you need to do is get your knee, your leg outside. So once I'm here, okay, my leg, I can push my leg outside and I can go to my elbows for a better stretch or more stretch. So I can be here. Okay, so I'll be feeling the tension in my hamstring and also on my quadricep of my other leg, that is down. From here, so I am here, I finish here, and come back here, I go down, I go down my elbows, I feel a stretch, I come up and come down. I do the exact same thing on the other way, coming out, going out, stretching my leg completely, my foot on the floor. If I am here, I turn out my knee, but I like being here, so I be here. I stay here, I feel stretched, I feel my hamstrings being stretched properly. I twist my body, I go down onto my elbows, I feel the stretch. Make sure my knee is also locked. No point getting your knee on the floor. So your knee should be off the floor, locked properly, and down here. Coming back to this position, here you get your legs inside. You stay in line with. Okay. From here, you hold the arch of your foot. This portion, the arch of the foot. You hold it out, stretch one leg, try and stretch your hamstring as much as possible. You try and touch your head down on the floor. Come back, go the other side. Same thing. Try and touch your head onto the knee. Coming center. Once you felt that you warmed up properly, you hold the arch of your foot, open your legs properly, and you stay down. Okay? Now, you can either keep your foot flexed or point, whatever is comfortable to you. If you're a beginner, try and keep your foot flexed and also get your knees locked. Okay, no point being just relaxed. Make sure your back is straight up. You've stretched your back completely. From here, you can, another thing to improve your stretches is you start walking slowly forward. You walk forward, stay there for a count, come back, 8. So 4 counts going forward, 4 counts coming back. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you realize once you're going down, you are also stretching your pelvis region and your legs are going out. You'll go walk, walk, walk and walk. Come back. So this is the exercise that you all can do for stretches. One more thing to improve your stretches, to improve your hamstring stretches, okay, is you can get your hands here and all you need to do is you swing back and forth. You'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice that my legs are going out and away, out and away. So once you slowly practice this, at some point you'll be able to reach down, touching your nose onto the floor. Some people will not be in a position to also touch your hands down the floor because you are not sitting correct. You are not sitting properly onto your seat muscles. Some people will sit here, down on the last vertebrae. So you only need to come up. All you need to do is get your hands close to your bum, pull yourself up and drag yourself behind. Now you feel the seat muscles over here. So all you need to do is you sit there, slowly getting your hands up, walking forward, enough. So this was the exercise on how to improve your splits. So I hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also share the video with your friends and family, and do comment on the section below what all you all want to learn from me. I'll be glad to help you out with another tutorial. So guys, this was a tutorial for how to improve your splits. If you have liked the video, do not forget to hit the like button, press the bell icon for instant notification, and do subscribe to our channel. This is me signing off. Bye bye.